How to mass remove friends on Snapchat. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. A quick disclaimer, this video isn't meant to mislead you or suggest that there's some magical button to delete everyone at once. It's here to inform you how things actually work on Snapchat in 2025 and what your options are. So Snapchat does not let you mass remove friends, no mass delete or no select all settings. And you've gotta go one by one. But here's the fastest way to do it. For that, open up Snapchat application. Once you open the application, you wanna go ahead and log in to your Snapchat account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. And just like so inside here, scroll down. Then you wanna go ahead and tap on My Friends. Inside here, you simply want to go ahead and tap and hold the friend's name and then tap on Manage Friendship. Just like so, you want to go ahead and tap on Remove Friend and then tap again to confirm. It's repetitive, but it's the safest way method. Third-party tools claiming to mass delete can get your account banned. But if you really want a clean slate, you can delete your account entirely and start fresh. Just be warned, you will lose your chats, memories, and your Bitmoji fabulous life. If Snapchat ever adds a legit way to do it faster, I'll update you guys. Till then, thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.